it's the Crest Smile 1922. I have not been around for a little while making videos because I've been taking care of my little one who's now 5. I have a 21-year-old who is now in college and close to graduating, and so my life has been very busy. I am thinking about making more videos and doing things that I like, which this is one of them. I bought a new product and I wanted to share that with you guys today. I bought the brand new Dyson Complete, and it is pretty amazing. I will say that I had the previous Dyson blow dryer, which is this one, and it does a lot. I mean, it's not very damaging to the hair at all. The air that comes through it is so strong, but it gets your hair dry in half the time that it would take with a regular blow dryer. So I made that purchase a year ago because I just fell in love with the product. But when they first came out with the Dyson Airwrap Complete, which is this one, they have several different attachments. The Airwrap, I think what they're speaking of when they call it an air wrap is this attachment here, because what it does, it forms a barrel type of wand curl. So this is the result of that. It's like a very loose curl, very loose wave. And what you do is you just wrap it, you put it on to the attachment. You turn it on. You wrap the hair around it, and there you go. It's curling your hair. I can literally touch it and it not burn me. That's a pretty cool idea, whoever came up with it. You have to turn it off in order to release your hair, and it turns into a pretty little curl. There's different barrels. This is the bigger one, but they also come with a smaller curl, smaller wand, which is pretty cool. Now that is just one aspect of it. The other is the blow drying process. So they market this tool to say that when you blow dry your hair, you can use this little tool to curl your hair at the same time. That did not work out for me. It did not. My hair is too thick and coarse to form a curl while blow drying in its wet state. So what I did was I used the paddle brush, and it doesn't necessarily move while it's drying your hair, but for some reason it moves when you're just like, it has some give to it. But I did use this to blow dry my hair, which got my hair really straight during the blow drying process. I did not look like Tina Turner or like someone stuck their finger in a socket and their hair was just big like it usually is. It actually looked pretty straight when I blow dried my hair with this tool. Now, the products that you use are very important as well. I personally use Kenra products, and I feel like it gives me quite the flow that I want, and it also protects my hair as a heating protectant in the products that I use. But if you want more information about the products that I used, you just let me know and I'll respond to you. But I really do like this product. It's really good. It was $600. I'm not sure if I said that already, but it's a pretty hefty price tag. But if you wear your hair in straight styles often, then I think it will be a nice investment. But if you don't, then it's a pretty pricey investment. It works really well. So I can't say that I hate it. Do I love the price? No, but I do love the product. Is it worth $600 for me? I only straighten my hair so often, not too often to where I do it enough to spend $600 for a hairdryer. But because I am a product junkie slash product junkie when it comes to hair, I had to have it. I had to have my hands on it. I had to see if it actually will make my hair do what I want it to do. And I don't like to get my hair bone straight. I never put the heat above 370, and 450 is when the hair burn. And so this product does not do that. I can literally put my hand to it while I'm blow drying my hair and it not burn me. I did use the flat iron on 370, so my roots are not exactly as straight as they could be. But I do like a lot of fullness. I don't like bone straight hair. So if you do like bone straight hair, or if you have relaxed hair or natural hair, I mean, I think this will work for any and everybody. It just depends on how long you leave it on the hair for it to get more straight, or that's going to determine how long your curl will stay curled longer if you keep the barrel on your hair longer. I think it's a cool technology, and whoever came up with it was pretty genius. I do believe that it couldn't get any better because it protects your hair from burning. So you don't want it to get hotter to make the hair straighter, because then you're burning your hair, and then what's the point of that? So I give it a thumbs up. I mean, I love it. I think it's great. I also have the Dyson Supersonic, which I think is amazing too. So if you are debating if you should buy that one or if you should buy the Airwrap, it's just really, the only difference I think is that with this, you don't have to use two hands trying to blow dry your hair and round brush, or try to blow your hair and use a paddle brush. It takes all that time off, so you'll have more time to style and do different things. So I will say it's a go.